In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a job for mall 2026, step by step. If you want to work in a mall, the first thing to do is decide what kind of job you're aiming for. Mall jobs can include roles like sales associate, cashier, customer service representative, store crew, admin assistant, mall assistant, marketing assistant, stockroom or inventory staff, and even security or maintenance. Choosing a target role helps you focus your application and present yourself more clearly to employers. Next, check the basic qualifications for the type of job you want. Some retail roles accept high school or senior high school graduates, while office-based or administrative positions may require a college degree. You'll also find entry-level openings and roles that welcome fresh graduates, so don't assume you're unqualified without checking the listing carefully. Once you know what you're applying for, prepare your resume. Make sure it includes your education, work experience, contact details, skills, and any relevant training. Keep the layout clean and easy to read. For mall and retail jobs, it also helps to highlight customer service skills like communication, patience, teamwork, sales ability, cashiering, and problem solving, since these are often important in day-to-day work. You should also prepare your requirements ahead of time. Depending on the employer, these may include valid IDs, a birth certificate, clearance documents, government numbers, school records, and medical or other pre-employment papers. Getting these ready early can save you time if an employer responds quickly. After that, start searching for mall jobs online. You can check platforms like JobStreet, Indeed, LinkedIn, and the official career pages of mall operators and individual stores. These listings often include sales, cashiering, admin, mall assistant, and marketing roles. It's also a good idea to apply directly to stores inside the mall. Visit in person, ask if they're accepting applicants, and bring several printed copies of your resume. While you're at it, check the mall's official career page as well, since some malls accept applications directly through their websites. Another useful option is attending mall job fairs. These events let you apply to several employers in one visit and may even offer on-the-spot interviews or hiring opportunities. When you get called for an interview, prepare in advance. Practice common questions like telling them about yourself, explaining why you want to work there, describing any customer service experience, handling difficult customers, and confirming whether you can work weekends or holidays. Dress professionally, wear clean and neat interview clothes, and bring your documents in a folder. Finally, be flexible with schedules, especially since mall jobs often involve shifts, weekends, holidays, and busy season hours. Apply even if you're a fresher, follow up professionally when appropriate, and keep applying to different stores and departments so you increase your chances of getting hired.